Hey guys, it's your girl Cyn.
And I'm Arielle.
And today we're just gonna show you guys like a really quick. We're gonna show you guys our makeup routines.
Nice
just to know something very.
Wish I could be somebody else for a day, you know? Be somebody else for a day, you know?
Whoa, bro.
So we're going to switch makeup routines and products.
So let's see how this goes. If you guys wanna watch, just stay tuned and hope you enjoy. Guys, this is hilarious because we have two different skin types. So like she has moisturizing products and I have like
Dry.
she has dry skin and I have extremely oily skin. You just do your eyebrows, you don't.
I just do my eyebrows. It's what I was doing.
You don't put powder on first?
No. This is I must put on powder. I don't even know how this works. So this is I don't know what I was doing.
I put like here, just like that. So she does her eyebrows with this pencil. This is interesting already.
My face.
It feels dry.
It feels so weird. Oh, I must set the primer.
Yeah.
Also, she uses Maybelline and I'm allergic to Maybelline. So if I don't have any skin in the next video,
Yikes.
I look like a ghost. And that's a lot coming from me. So what happens now? The eyebrows next. I look like I'm bleaching, by the way. She uses a pomade in her eyebrows, which I don't. Sonara! I don't like how I look. My face looks crazy.
It's gonna come together in the end. Or not. So this is probably as even as I'm gonna get them. I have extremely like different eyebrow shapes, so don't come on.
They're cousins.
They're barely related. The next thing you do is you conceal.
Yeah, clean up the brows.
You conceal with
Fawn. Yes, dear.
This is my highlight shade.
Which one do you use to? You use chestnut?
Oh my god.
Conceal. Why do you always do that? Put it on the back of your hand. So you conceal with chestnut?
Yeah.
Could you use a brush?
Yeah. I use a little concealer brush. This is so light.
Brace yourselves, guys. Now I want to put chestnut under my eyebrows. My eyebrow looks stupid. It looks stupid. I think I concealed my shading of my eyebrow. Sonara. I can't even tell the difference between my eyebrow and the concealer because it's so dark.
This isn't terrible. I've seen people conceal like as dark as me with this concealer. You know that picture of Renee 630 with the concealed eyebrows?
Yes.
So next she has
I set my eyebrows.
set eyebrows.
Bruh.
I have never in my life set my eyebrows with. This is the Ari&Cyn powder. This is white.
You have a pressy tea. You have one, so? Yes. Yes.
So now I'm gonna just do my eyeshadow next. She uses the Morphe
35O. You know what's OG Morphe palettes, people.
How do you open it? I told you it does it. This is overwhelming. It doesn't have a mirror.
They need a mirror for you know what I do? No man, this palette nice. Good colors, pigmented. No sir, my boy, my one. Alright, so we just did our eyeshadow.
Yeah, we just did it off camera because guys, we take forever to do our eyeshadow and this video would be like 50 minutes long if we went through all of that.
Yeah, so we're about to do our eyeliner. I usually do a short, spicy wing.
I usually do like long, dramatic, like 2 inches away from touching my brow type of wing. Like that's my kind of wing. So let's see how this goes.
Okay.
Yeah, and then just make it like a thick and a complete. lashes to dry?
No. I'm not making them any thicker.
I don't want them to be thicker. Just like at the ends. I usually like connect them like 10 times thicker than that. I'll let it slide.
Where are they gonna go?
You say you do a small wing?
Like a cute little sexy wing. Yes!
Where's the rest of it?
Oh wait, you prime your eyelashes, don't you? Okay. Don't see what priming my eyelashes does, but alright.
This is the tiniest thing I've ever done in my life.
It's so cute.
The tiniest thing I've ever done in my life.
Oh my gosh.
I have never put on lashes myself. What side?
The thinner side, like the side of the shorter parts, goes on the inner part of your eye.
So it's like this?
No. Yeah.
Okay. I don't want to put too much, but I don't want to put too little. Oh, this is where everybody blows their lashes?
Yeah. Pull the outer end first. What are you doing? Pull the outer end first.
These look stupid.
Oh no, you did such a poor job. I can't sit back and watch this.
These feel so heavy. I low-key like it.
It's a vibe.
It's low-key a vibe. This is a moisturizing face primer. I have very oily skin, so.
My face.
Oh my god, this is like lotion.
Why you spend on so much? Like I rub it in first, and then I pat it into my face.
I'm not doing that. I am rubbing lotion on my face.
Yeah, so we won't be using each other's foundation, obviously.
No.
So, but we're gonna be using the same brand.
Look how greasy this primer is making me.
It's called the Glow.
It's called the grease. I can see my reflection in my face.
I am white.
I am currently red. She uses a shade called Almond Beige. I have never used anything on my face that has the name beige in it. So
I'm gonna highlight with fawn, which is my actual skin tone, and then go up towards my eye.
I feel like spice.
That did absolutely nothing to my face. I'm mad. The foundation brush is actually making it work. Do you bake or not?
No, I just press my powder like in my face. Oh no, my entire forehead is white. Did you reverse contour?
How do you reverse contour when all of your face is white?
I don't ever bake because
You have to put down a thick layer too, you know. Light gone. It come back. Yeah. Yes.
if you don't stop boosting me.
My face is crackling this day. It's so dry. Girl, what I'm saying nonsense.
Nobody said that.
So your brushes are like it nice. Why you not this for though? More Maybelline products?
Yeah. She uses the Becca.
Or these silent. This is a powder brush.
It's a blush brush, but I use it to highlight because it packs it on.
Wow, you put a lot on. My face is burning from that spray.
Are you serious?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
I know how to use a spray.
Spray it in your hair.
So she uses the Fenty gloss and that's all. She doesn't line her lips.
Yeah, like if it's just a casual day or
Who
a
does that?
daytime activity, I'll just put the Fenty gloss balm on.
Okay.
She wears more Maybelline. More Maybelline.
I actually like this gloss. Wow. I'd use a liner, but I really like this. Wow, this is. It smells really good.
Here's the final look.
This is the finished look. Guys, I was really trying. I really was trying.
Serving you ghost times 2.
The only thing I liked about this was I like that you take eyebrows. I think I might start doing that. I think my eyebrows are like nice. And I like the way lashes look, but the way they feel, it feels like I have 2 sets of lashes on.
It's gorgeous. The lips are a no. The powder. There's a whole package of powder on my face, and it's a no. It is a no. My face is cracking. My face is burning.
Your eyes red.
I'm not wearing eyelashes. My winged eyeliner is on my eyebrows. It's just too much.
I feel like our routines work for us, but not for each other. Thanks for tuning in. If you don't like it, we don't either. So
we're both gonna be biting it because this is atrocious.
This is a no. But yeah, thanks for tuning in though, and into our little Freaky Friday type thing. And I hope you guys will like stay tuned, you know, comment what kind of videos you want to see and
subscribe.
Definitely. Bye guys.